Hello friends and welcome back to the in this new video, and this video is going to talk about the shape in image object using Coreldraw and how you can add a shape on the image using Coreldraw. So in this video we will cover all about, then I explain all method how you can do this thing. So let's get continue with this video. If you are new in this channel, you can also like the video and subscribe the channel. And now let's get started. So first you need to go in your file section. So go in file section, choose new option, and here you add width, height which you want. I'm not want to change it, so simply click on OK. And from here you first you need to import an image. So simply file and import. You can also use the shortcut control I. So click here and go. You can also choose image from here. So I'm gonna choose import, and you can also give the size of your image. Now this is looking good. Okay, good. So first drag this option, not click, drag it this option, and after you will get this option ellipse, and simply make an ellipse here. Okay, go in image, choose image, right click and choose the power clip option, and simply click in this circle. Okay, now you are able to see we have a image in this circle and also have this, but you can see we have the extra space bottom of this image. So if you want to remove this space, simply press Ctrl J. So here you need to increase the size of your image. Simply you can increase the size of your image. Now right click again, choose the power clip inside and click here. So now you can see the image size is good. So this is the method which, with the help of this method, you can add the shape in your image which you want, and you can also add the another shape. So simply go in this section, drag it again, and here I want to add the in a star. So choose star and control I, import image. I'm gonna import this again, and from here I'm gonna, this is good, simply right click, power clip inside, click over here. So now this is good. So you can also add the another steps. So drag it and you can see the polygon is the many shapes are available here. So you can also add which you want. So you can also change the position. So in this video we have covered all about how you can add a shape on an image, shape in image objects using corridor. So all is completed. So so what you need to do, you need to do only subscribe, comment, like, and give me appreciation for this video. So if you want to like, if you want to help me and give me motivation by this video, you can also like the video and subscribe the channel. And thank you, bye bye. I will see you next time with another video and very amazing video. Bye bye.